Hello there, potential buyers of this Casablanca Columbia 2. Just thought I'd give you a live shot just to see exactly what you're getting here. I know my camera has a little bit of an issue focusing when I move it around a lot, but I'll try to move slowly. Currently has high gloss cherry wood blades on it. I have standard low gloss walnut and high gloss walnut available, as well as classic white and snow white, but those are two finishes you probably wouldn't want to put on this fan. But I thought I'd throw it out there that I have them anyway. I don't know how well you'll be able to see the motor windings, but they're in really good shape. I added the finial. I have the little brass nut that goes there originally. I just thought it would be a nice little touch and break up that little itty bitty spot of non-ornateness. You know, with all this ornateness, you know, you gotta have a little more bling right there. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna start it up now. It starts on low speed. It's got a small amount of bearing noise, and that's because I have pressed out the switch housing and excuse me. And when you do that, it disturbs the ball bearings a little bit in the motor, and it causes bearing noise, which Casablanca says will go away. I'm gonna leave this thing running for the duration of the auction, or should I say the listing, as this is actually going to be a buy it now with make an offer. I'll usually take about 20% off of my price for offers. You know, going up to medium speed. This fan was originally slumber quiet, which is a variable speed system that is very, very obsolete and very unreliable. You can hear a little bit of that bearing noise, maybe. The buzzing noise in the background, I don't know if you can hear it, you've probably heard it throughout the whole video, if you've heard it at all, is a 1977 K63 Four Seasons, which is also a Casablanca fan, but is actually much older than this unit. You can probably hear that bearing noise kicking in now. It's got a small amount of wobble, and that is only because of my less than desirable mounting up there. I couldn't actually tighten the screws on the hang true all the way, as I'm not really set up to do this type of to show this type of fan in here. I usually do Hunter Originals. I've had this fan for several years, in fact, and quite frankly, I was never going to get rid of it, but work has slowed down and I've become hard up for money. Glass shades are included if you want them. Light kit is included. Reverse works. On these flywheel fans, you really do not want to reverse the fan while it's running, because this is rubber right here, and this is actually a vintage flywheel that I have replaced the original one with. It's in great condition, but at the same time you do not want to stress it out too much. I'm just going to go straight up to medium. into high, mostly because I don't want my video to run too long. Like I said, that hiss you're hearing, that's the bearing noise. It should go away. Anyway, that is Casablanca Columbia 2. Any questions? Shoot me an email or give me a call. Phone number, it will be on the auction / listing, whatever you want to call it. Thank you. Hickman Fan Man.